If you want to change your payment method on Netflix, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step in under 2 minutes. If that sounds helpful, consider subscribing. First of all, exit out of the Netflix app and open Netflix in your browser. Go to netflix.com and sign in into your account. Please note that you won't be able to do this inside the Netflix app. If you're using your phone, you'll need to open up your mobile browser, go to netflix.com and sign in into your account. Then just follow along the video. Okay, so once you're logged in, click on Manage Account. This will open up your account settings page. Click on Manage Membership. Under that, you'll see the current payment method listed. Click the link that says Manage Payment Method. Now you'll see your current payment details. Click Change Payment Method, or if you want to replace your existing payment method, click the update icon next to it. Choose your payment type, credit card or debit, PayPal or whatever options are available in your region. Enter your new payment details, then click Save or Continue to confirm. A couple of things worth knowing: if you're on iPhone or iPad and you're signed up through App Store, you won't be able to change your payment method through Netflix directly. You'll need to update it through your Apple ID settings instead. The same goes for Android. If you signed up through Google Play, go to the Google Play app, tap your profile and then tap Payments and Subscriptions. The step I showed you worked if you signed up directly through Netflix website. And that's it. That's how you change your payment method on Netflix. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.